All right, welcome to Forfarshire. This is a winter park full house renovation that we are doing. The first thing that we did actually was change the front door. We changed this to the new front door, and you can see we still have some trim work to do. But we just finished drywall and flooring, so you can see what a huge difference it is right when you walk in from what it was previously. Before, we had a wall right here. You can kind of see the outline on the floor actually where the wall used to be. So beyond this wall used to be the old kitchen, and then this was the tiny little foyer right when you walked in. So now we've given so much more open space right when you walk in. And as you continue on, this is actually where our new kitchen is going to be. So this will be a huge island. We've actually drawn it out where everything will be on the floor. You can see here the electrical supply for the island and the wiring for the pendants above. And back here, we actually added in this window so that you've got some nice natural light coming in from the side as well as from the back into your brand new kitchen. The sink will be centered on the window, and then we'll have some upper cabinets on either side, your refrigerator in the corner, and this will be your main focal point wall. So right as you walk in, you'll have this beautiful range hood, you'll have a range below it, upper and lower cabinets, and a beautiful kitchen to entertain with your guests. So we're really excited for the next phase, which will be cabinets going in this week, and then we will continue with flooring. This is an LVP product, so that is a luxury vinyl plank. And when you do luxury vinyl plank, you want to make sure you do that after your cabinets so that the cabinets don't pinch point it at any location, specifically the island where you have a really heavy weight from the countertop. Back here, we actually created a laundry room. This used to just be part of the kitchen. It was kind of this odd little nook that didn't have purpose, but we've created purpose for it. So right now, you've got your dryer that will be under the window, washer that'll be next to that, and we have just enough room to put the water heater in the corner. So that'll kind of be your appliance wall. So one of the other big changes we made, you'll see on the floor here where there used to be a block wall. So what we found out after we demoed was that the old house used to actually end kind of where you're seeing this block wall. And one of the homeowners that owned the house before them had enclosed this space very poorly. So we were actually able to fix some of the structural issues that we found in the ceiling when we were closing in this space and making this all part of the open area that you see now. You can see how before, how blocked off everything was when you look at the old floor here. The wall continued over here. There was a small opening into the kitchen, and then that was all a separate room too. So it was very boxy and disjoint. And we've kind of made it into this beautiful space. Square footage didn't change. We didn't add any square footage, but by kind of rearranging some of the walls and just making this a better floor plan for the size of the home, you're able to get a lot more bang for your buck with the same square footage. So that's kind of one of the magic things that we can do as general contractors. When we come into a house early, we can give you a floor plan that kind of shows you, here's how your house looks now, and this is what you can have by just changing a few small token things. So one of the other key changes that we made in this house, we added an AC unit for this back room to make the cooling in that room a lot more efficient and a lot more effective, because the homeowner was saying that they had a lot of issues with that room being really hot. And you have lots of options for what you use these different spaces for, depending on what works best for you and your family and the homeowner and their family. So back here, we didn't do a whole lot. We're just gonna be updating the finishes, and right now you can kind of see it's being used as a stock room. We'll be changing the flooring, changing the baseboards, and painting the walls. We had a lot of tricky situations with this house because of it being a flat roof structure, but we were able to figure it out, and we came up with some good solutions. So we're at the tail end of this project with the cabinets coming this week. We're so excited, and we will see you at the end of the project. I'm Hillary Stalder, your design forward contractor. Can't wait to see you on the next one.